everyone, this is Delia and welcome to my soldering project. I chose the LED light heart sweetheart thing. So here's the front, here's how it's supposed to look, and here are the instructions. They really go step by step, it's pretty easy. So this is an empty one and this is the full last one. Here are the resistors. Here's the bag of LEDs and the little black thingies. Alright, so let's start soldering. Soldering does take a lot of time and a lot of patience, unfortunately. So this is the finished product. This is what it should look like when it's done. Everything is soldered in tight. Everything's in place. Here you go. Here's a closer look. It's mainly LEDs and then a few other little pieces and bits. And here's the back. I'd say I did a pretty good job. Alright, let's solder this a little bit more. I have to put the battery piece on now. Alright, so this is where the battery will be going. It'll be a 9V battery. And you just snap it in there and it'll turn on. Alright. Gotta work on this a little bit more. There's never a time when you're soldering that it's perfect. So you just have to keep working on it endlessly until you come up with something. This looks about right. What do you guys think? Okay, here is the moment of truth. I can't wait to put this battery in here. Success! It really worked. I'm so proud of myself. Thanks everyone for watching my video.